Isn't Windows 10 fun? No, it actually isn't. I'm going to be explaining to you why my microphone didn't work for a while and what the solution finally was. But first, my name is Steve Smith, this is TQA Weekly, and here's a few things. When you go and look up what is wrong with your microphone on the internet, you'll be presented with a few different solutions, which I'll actually demonstrate. So one of the things they're going to be talking about is you go under the start menu, you click the gear icon, you'll go under the privacy, and then obviously you go and select your microphone. And it might be that this little token right here is selected as off and not on. That might solve some people, but a lot of people, this is not their actual problem. So yeah, if this doesn't help you, then let's go to another thing. Then you go and right click the sound icon, which is behind me in this tutorial. Go under sounds. And under recording, you select the device. If it's not default, you can set it, but of course, that's complete bupkis, because if the software you're using can select the device, this is useless to you and doesn't actually help you. Or you can go to properties, under listen and not advanced, Windows, what the hell? You have power management, and you can select continue running when on battery power instead of disable, which by the way, only helps if this is really a laptop, which by the way, my desktop thinks it's a laptop. Don't ask questions. Windows is completely fucked. Still won't help most people, and still wouldn't have helped me anyway in this case. Making sure the privacy settings, making sure it was default, or making sure that that power management thing was set correctly wouldn't have helped. Why? Because Windows 10 is the problem. And there's a setting that's been in Windows for a while that is completely freaking buried. And what you need to do is click Cortana, go to the control panel, and watch this. We're talking like 5 levels down. Hardware and sound, power options, change plan settings, change advanced power settings. Go to the USB settings, USB selective suspend settings, and if this is enabled, select disabled. And this will allow your microphone and any other hardware that is being suspended without notice or explanation to never be suspended ever again. And here's the kicker. It can be re-enabled by Windows. So if ever this thing ever happens to you again, you would have to go through that entire process all over again. But that is the setting that had me not able to use my microphone for a while. Why? Because even if I know this setting is there, sometimes Windows puts an update that resets everything. So lesson learned, Microsoft, you suck. So, if you like this episode, like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, for everything else. And of course, if you want to make this show better, go to patreon.com/tqaweekly and become a patron today. Patrons get these episodes 2 days in advance of everyone else. Thank you for watching, and bye.